Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and I hope this video is going to give you a little bit of value regards the Sonos sub generation 3 not connecting and not working, and what you can actually do to fix this issue. So the one thing that you can try to do is to perform a factory reset. How to do it is that you're going to unplug it. So first unplug the product. Then what you want to do is you want to hold the button that you have there, the one button. You just want to hold and press it, and then put the cable back in, plug it back in. And while holding the button, what will happen? The light will start to go from white to orange, white to orange, white to orange, and then it's going to start to be green. And then you're going to release your hand from the button, and then you did just the factory reset, and then possibly it's going to be allow you to connect to your whatever device you want. So that's pretty much it. First, you're going to plug it out, then you're going to hold the button, and you're going to plug it back in. And the light is going to go from white to orange, white to orange, white to orange, and then to green. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video gave you value, and have a great day, and goodbye.